Welcome to the rise of the machines. AI's hold on the future. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly transforming our world. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is poised to revolutionize countless industries. For aspiring tech professionals, particularly B.Tech students, understanding the languages driving this AI revolution is crucial. This isn't just about coding, it's about shaping the future. The demand for skilled AI professionals is skyrocketing. Companies across all sectors are eager to leverage AI for innovation and growth. This surge in demand translates into exciting career opportunities for those equipped with the right skills. Mastering the key programming languages in AI is your ticket to becoming a sought-after tech wizard. This essay will delve into the top programming languages that every B.Tech student venturing into AI should master. We'll explore why these languages are essential and how they contribute to building intelligent systems. Get ready to embark on a journey into the fascinating world of AI and discover the languages that will empower you to shape its future. Welcome to Python, the undisputed ruler of AI. Python reigns supreme in the realm of AI, and for good reason. Its simple syntax and extensive libraries make it the go-to language for both beginners and seasoned AI practitioners. Python's readability allows developers to focus on the logic of their AI algorithms without getting bogged down in complex code. One of Python's greatest strengths is its rich ecosystem of libraries specifically designed for AI and machine learning. Libraries like TensorFlow, Keras, and PyTorch provide developers with pre-built functions and tools to create sophisticated AI models with ease. This makes Python an incredibly efficient language for developing AI solutions, allowing developers to iterate quickly and bring their ideas to life faster. Moreover, Python's versatility extends beyond AI. It's widely used in web development, data analysis, and automation, making it a valuable asset in any programmer's toolkit. Whether you're building an AI-powered chatbot or analyzing large datasets, Python provides the tools and flexibility to get the job done. Learning Python is a smart investment for any B.Tech student looking to make their mark in the tech world. Welcome to R, the statistical wizard. While Python excels in general-purpose AI development, R shines in the realm of statistical computing and data visualization. R was specifically designed for statistical analysis and remains the language of choice for statisticians and data scientists worldwide. Its extensive collection of packages dedicated to statistical modeling, data manipulation, and visualization makes it an indispensable tool for AI practitioners. In AI, understanding and interpreting data is paramount. R's powerful statistical functions allow developers to delve deep into datasets, uncover hidden patterns, and gain valuable insights. These insights are crucial for building accurate and reliable AI models. Furthermore, R's exceptional data visualization capabilities enable developers to communicate their findings effectively. Creating compelling visualizations is essential for conveying complex data insights to both technical and non-technical audiences. Whether you're presenting research findings or building dashboards to monitor AI model performance, R provides the tools to communicate your data story effectively. Section 4.